So guys, Microsoft recently launched a May 2023 cumulative update, and that update causing so many problems, and I will let you know how you can fix that and what problems you guys facing in Windows 11. So this is causing VPN speed issue, and next is system freezing and slow performance, broken gray and black boxes in Windows security, TPM detection and core isolation setting are broken, and it is also slowing down the NVMe SSD speed. So this is a major problem. Some games also crashing and getting the blue screen, and Razer control panel is also popping randomly. BitLocker recovery prompts and issues, installation failure of update. So these are the major issues, and the best problem is Microsoft confirms, and yeah, these are the bugs in this update, and they are quickly fixing it by releasing new update in coming week. But how you guys can fix it right now? So basically just go to Windows setting and go to Windows update. In Windows update, click on this update history, and the update you can see this is installed here, KB5026372. So this is a cumulative update for Windows 11 version 22H2. So basically you need to uninstall this. So go into uninstall updates. Here you will see that update like KB5026372. So just click on uninstall and it will automatically uninstall. Sometimes what happen, you don't need to roll back, right? Because this is not feature update, so you will not get option for that. You can directly uninstall from here. And this update also contains so many bug fixes and improvement. But if you're facing these kind of problem which I told you, so you can just uninstall it for now. In new update you can fix all these problems very easily. So this is a simple thing. I just want to tell you guys, if you are struggling with these problems, you can just go and uninstall, and after that you need to restart your system. So guys, this is how you can fix Windows problem after update.